Well, one everyone, my name is Kunchi, and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today, we're gonna make some Jamaican fried dumplings. This is something kind of like a hush puppy, but not with any seasonings or anything. We're gonna use some milk to bring the dough together. We have some brown sugar, baking powder, salt, and butter. Real simple ingredients. We're gonna make a dough real quick and fry it up, serve it up with something Jamaican. I don't know yet. Some baking powder, some salt, just 2 ounces of butter, and for this recipe I have 2 cups of flour, about a third of a cup of brown sugar. Bringing this dough together, you're gonna want to aerate the dough. So get that butter and the sugar and everything mixed in. You kind of make sure you get some air in there. So we want to make these light and fluffy. Now that we have our dough light and airy, we're going to go ahead, combine it with some milk. I mean, if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can use water. Milk is not a must. That's just my preference. This is traditionally a breakfast bread, basically. And today I'm going to fry it with some coconut oil till they're golden brown. You don't want to make these too big, the fried dumplings. Because remember, you have baking powder, and that's going to raise them. You want to make them a little smaller. That way when they get raised, they're not humongous. You can make them in any shape you want. You can make some long, you can make some round, you can make them square. It's however you want to eat them.
Same old story. Today you say your day out. Tomorrow you say you're gone, and you now come back. If there is no love.
These can be made deep fried. They don't need to be deep fried. Right now I'm not deep frying them. You know, I'm gonna be flipping them. But if you wanted to deep fry them, that would be a much quicker way. I just like to do it this way traditionally. I'm just turning these onto the sides. See if I can get some golden brown color on the sides and get some heat going right through the middle of that dumpling. While these are in the oil, you want to make sure you are on medium heat because you don't want the outsides to be cooked too quickly and you have the insides raw. So make sure you're staying on medium heat. I'm just going to grab a couple sheets of paper towel, rest it in the bottom to absorb any of that excess oil that's going to come from frying these. So as I said before, any shape you want, you can make them in. Doesn't matter what shape, they're going to come out the same. These are not festivals. It's just fried dumpling. I just rolled in a different shape. We're ready to get this breakfast on. We're gonna serve this with some ackee and saltfish, and that's coming right up. Right now our dumplings are done. I'm gonna throw our little dish together and show you how that looks. So that's it today, guys, for our fried dumplings. When you're serving your fried dumplings, you want to make sure you serve it with something that has a little bit of sauce, a little bit of gravy, as we call it in Jamaica. And Today we're pairing it with some ackee and saltfish. Thank you for watching our video today. The steps and all the ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, drop a like, make sure you drop a comment and let me know. My Instagram and Facebook will be in the comments below. Hit me up with your pictures, questions, and anything else you want to find out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.